payment, you can just tell later when you come back.
Yeah, when we come back.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Oh, it is sunny today, huh?
Hey Mark, what's the place that we're going again?
Kulen Mountain.
Oh, okay, so we're gonna go Kulen Mountain. Kulen. Sounds like Kool-Aid. Kulen Mountain.
Oh my god, mate. So you can just type next.
Lexus, Toyota, Lexus, Toyota, Mercedes. Finally, Lexus, Toyota, Lexus, and tuk-tuks.
I can't stay.
Nice pants. Thank you, sir. Yeah. Me and David got the same pants. So he asked us if we want to go use the restrooms over there, and then there's places where we could buy groceries. Because no, we're here. This is like a stock up. We stock up here, and then afterwards, then we get ready for the hike.
Did you take $2? Or did you take US?
Yeah. Supposedly this is a checkpoint.
Because all those guys are armed.
This is definitely
Take anything, like private
out of town.
like huge trips.
Uh-oh. Are they following us?
Yep, we're ready.
Are they following us?
They're gonna
There's a
swarm
bunch
us.
of
You guys
vendors.
watch your pockets.
There's a bunch of vendors actually getting ready to sell some equipment, sell some goods. This is cute. Do you see these kids? So basically these kids are like trying to...
Okay, the big Buddha is worship place.
Right.
So they not allow all of you to go with your shoe. You have to take out your shoe.
Okay,
But
I understand.
I will go with you, then I will find a place to take care of all of your stuff. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
ឥឡូវចង់និយាយថាក្មួយស្ដាប់ពូបានទេថាពូអត់ត្រូវការជួយក្មួយទាំងអស់ទេពូចង់ឲ្យក្មួយទាំងអស់ទៅលេងកន្លែងណាក៏បានដែរសូមកុំដើរតាមពូបានអត់បានទេពូសំណុំពោប៉ុណ្ណឹងបានអត់បាទបើបានទេទៅចុះណា
Okay. So the best thing is just go away.
Go away?
Okay. So when we came up along the way, many people with lots of flowers. So lots of flowers are very important in our religion, especially Buddhist religion. So they just make it in good decoration, and then they pray to the Buddhas to get the happiness for their family the whole years. Okay. So the requirement Buddhas up there, but.
This is actually known as Buddha's footprint.
Money.
Buddhism.
Buddhism place but yeah Linga the Linga of the Siva but the people they still live on the spirit.
That's how that works.
This Buddha is actually stretched about a good 40 feet long.
Make a detail of the statues.
Yeah.
When you carve it, when you make it.
So Mark just told me that Angkor Wat is the #1 most visited place for the locals here in Cambodia. This place is actually the top 2. What? Oh, so these are the statues?
Yes.
Really cool. So what is this place called again?
The 1,000 lingas.
1,000 lingas.
1,000 lingas.
Lingas. Supposedly these lingas are actually like up the river, like along up the river. This meets that water.
Yeah.
Wow.
Well, because this adds sulfur into the locals think that the water
It's
does.
like here, like holy.
It's-
So the locals drink the water by the lingas, and this pool meets that river.
That river, yeah.
Yeah.
Which adds sulfur to the water.
Which adds sulfur to the water, and that's why it's cleansing.
Because there's minerals inside of it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Science.
Science. Geoenemy.
Right now we're at tour number 3, but before heading into tour number 3, we're gonna go have some lunch over by the Waterfall village and then head on over to the waterfall. It's gonna be some sort of hike, but I think it'll be fun. So we just got done fishing.
I can't stay.
So none of the people in the group wanted to go swimming because the water's kind of murky, or I wouldn't say murky, but dirty. I mean, it's kind of like brown, if you guys can see it. Like if you look over there, it's brown. I mean, there's some of the locals over there. He's in the water. Hey, do you want that one? Which one do you want? This one's better. Yeah. Okay. Give him money.
12,000 real, please.
12,000. 12,000.
12,000. What is this?
We're getting these awesome
What is this?
bananas.
1,000 reals.
5. That's another 5.
Oh, two.
Yes, please.
Oh, yes.
2. Here. 5.
Okay.
We're getting these awesome bananas. They're huge and sticky.
Open banana. Yeah.
Banana, red banana.
Open your mouth.
Open your mouth.
My boss, he called me by Ibrahim.
Oh yeah? Just one Cadillac. So funny.
But so many tuk-tuk.
Yeah.
Tuk-tuk.
Tuk-tuk. There's so many tuk-tuk.